Hello traders, I'm Dennis Dick and this is Pre-Market Info. Today I'm going to talk to you about some interesting trading activity that happened in British Petroleum. At 10:20 this morning, British Petroleum went from a price of $39.84 to up to over $41 and all the way back down in the matter of just 5 seconds. Nanix has written an excellent paper outlining the details of this trading activity, and if you're interested in seeing those details, I've put a link just above this video for you to go over and check that out. But what I really want to show you today is just to show you how quickly that this happened, because you can say, oh, it went up there and down, but watch how quickly it really happens. So I'm going to show you this in approximately real time right now. Right here you see the time, 10:20:04. This is the price, $39.85, and these are the trades going by, and these are the different market centers in which they're going by. Watch the course of the trades in real time. And that was it. So BP went from $39.84 all the way up to $41 and back down to $40.12 in those 5 seconds. Now let's slow the tape down a little bit more so we can analyze in a little bit more detail. So here it is in approximately halftime. Actually a little bit slower than halftime, but you can see really moving quickly. Now let's take a look and really slow the tape down. You can see just how many trades are going by, and I'll do a little analysis as we're watching the trades go by. So off the bat, 10:20:04, stock just slowly climbing. Now what causes something like this to happen? It could be an algo going wild. It could just be a fat finger. It could just be some institution that honestly just sent a market order. Nanix says approximately 600,000 shares traded here. I didn't add them all up, but I'll trust Nanix research. They're pretty good. So we'll say 600,000 shares. So it's probably a buy order for approximately that amount that drove this price up from that $39.84 area all the way up to over the $41. Now as you can see in the first, all these trades going by are very close, $39.85, $39.96, nothing out of the ordinary because there's a lot of liquidity directly around the NBBO. You have high frequency envelope traders who are taking advantage of different arbitrage opportunities that surround the NBBO with liquidity. But once you get past that liquidity, once you get past that first initial layer of liquidity, the price really starts to open up. And as you can see, now we're starting to climb a little more rapidly. And this is only 1 second after the order has been sent. So now you can see the price climbing 40.10. We just came from $39.84, now we're up to $40.11. And we're climbing more rapidly because there's less liquidity. We're now 20 cents away, 25 cents away from where we started. So there's a lot less liquidity up here. We don't have the traditional participants that we used to have. Institutions don't display order, everybody trades in the dark, so you can see the price moves very rapidly through once you start to get away from that original price of $39.89. So you have a lot of liquidity around the NBBO and not that much more. So as you can see, the price is climbing pretty rapidly here now, 40.56. We're still only 1 second after the initial order has been sent. So price moving up 40.58 from where we started at $39.89. Price still climbing. Now we're in the next second. So 10:20:06. We started at 10:20:04. You can see how many trades are going by. So it was some type of swept order that just swept out all the liquidity on the book, bought the stock all the way up to over $41, which you will see here as we're approaching that price, and then basically the price just collapses because there's a vacuum where there's just no orders. It's just taken out all the offers. There's nothing left in there, and the price quickly collapses. So we're almost at the peak now, 40.97, 41. So 41.02. So there we are, right at the peak, 41.02. And now the price will start 41.03, and now the price will start to collapse. So basically anybody that can quickly enough to send a sell order, most of your high frequency traders are going to be those quick traders that are taking advantage of this quick opportunity where 3 seconds later and the stock has just rallied a point. This is a huge company that typically has a 20-30 cent range all day. So when it moves a point in a matter of 3 seconds on really no news, it's a pretty good opportunity for those high frequency traders to take advantage of, and that's exactly what they did. And they sell out anybody that's bidding up there in the books. So stock goes all the way up and comes all the way back down in those 5 seconds, and we are back down. So I just wanted to show you how quickly that happens. Let's just watch it one more time in real time so you can get appreciation for how quick this action can happen. It's that quick. We definitely live in a high frequency trading world. Once again, I'm Dennis Dick for Pre-Market Info.